friends since that time. Oh wow, this is good. So nice to see you. No, the time I hear
we're now outside the court 314 in Edmonton, Canada, where Justice Olubenga Soyele is being sworn in as the first African-born judge. Yes, that is Justice Olubenga Soyele, a perfect gentleman, ex-Great Ife. He schooled at Ife, became a Queen's Counsel, and now they are called King's Counsel, and today is being sworn in as a judge in Edmonton, Canada. That's the great brain box. They call him the Lord Denny of our time. That's our Lord Denny. We're so proud of him. We came all the way from Nigeria to celebrate this great African son. Everybody, you can see the way everybody's around him. Imagine at about 62 years old, he's been a Queen's Counsel now, King's Counsel, and is now a judge in Edmonton, the first African-born judge in Edmonton, Canada. That's Justice Olubenga Akiyele, the brain box. He's been brilliant from Great Ife, very brilliant gentleman. Everybody likes him. You can see a few of us came from Nigeria to celebrate with him. How are you, sir?
Okay.
My lord, could you kindly introduce yourself to us and why you are here, sir?
My name is Honorable Justice Joe Akode, retired president, both of them, retired president of Assistant Festival of Appeal. I'm here to celebrate and rejoice with my brother, Honorable Justice Olubenga Soyele, who is being sworn in today. 2 years after he started functioning as a judge here in Alberta, as a judge of Alberta High Court, sitting at Edmonton. It's a pleasure to be here.
Tata. Ọ̀kíndé ọlọ́jẹ̀ yóò gbólúkẹ́. Ẹni kẹ́kùnlé ọgbà o, kó lọ sọ fún gbogbo àgbà ó gbọ́ kó lọ ro fóòbẹ̀. Kákọ̀ ó sáré lọ sọ fábo. Ìyàwó àgbẹ̀ sáré lọ sọ fágbẹ̀ lálà pé tó ńlá dé. Ìrìnkèrindò Yorùbáwùyí náà lè tó tiwa. Ayé ẹja lọ gbé tòsí kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n. Ẹja jọ gbé tòsí kọ́ni lóye. Kí lorúkọ ètò tó kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n o? Ìrìnkèrindò Yorùbáwùyí ó ń gbà ṣàlárugẹ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká koríkì bàbá wa o, ká má bàa gbàgbé